Are you a mom over 50 and you love adventure?
Yes, I love adventure. I'm Romela and I'm based in Ontario, Canada.
Hi, I'm Monica and I'm based in Ontario, Canada.
Hi, I'm Socorro. I'm based in Ontario, Canada.
And hi, I'm Tanya and I'm based in Alberta, Canada.
Yes, I'm actually overcoming my fear by diving into this pool. I don't know how to swim, but I'm trying my best. As you see, I'm already floating. That is something. Yes, it's an achievement already. Woohoo!
Yes!
We are here inside the cave enjoying the water and overcoming my fear as well. I don't know how to swim, but yes, I'm trying to conquer my fear.
And we are in Cenote!
Yay! Look at how beautiful this is.
This
Yes.
is just one of the stops that we're doing on our excursion today, and we're super excited to share with you our next adventure.
Yeah, we'll see you again.
Bye-bye!
Bye.
And we're back! Here we are!
Yes.
Back at
That's
our
our
resort
resort.
here in Riviera Maya. And we just had an incredible day together. And I have to say, I'm very proud of these ladies.
Yes, because we swam with the turtle and then we swam in the cave and there's a water under the cave. So we got to swim under the cave and then I don't know how to swim actually, but I conquer my fear.
Yes, that's right. And also, it's my first time to do snorkeling. And when I saw the turtles, oh my God, it was so awesome. Imagine, I don't even know how to swim, but I did it. I took the courage and I got out of my, I conquered my fear.
Yes, and you
Yes.
definitely got out of your comfort
Yes,
zone for
yes,
sure.
yeah,
And I was
that's
going to
true.
say, when the big turtle, the mother one came along, it came right underneath me while we're snorkeling. And I didn't know what to do, but I was told, just freeze, just stay still, just be calm. And it just swam right underneath me. And it was like the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
Yes, and there's also a baby turtle.
Yes.
Yeah, and for me, it's the first time for me to swim in the cave. So I did my turtle back in the Philippines, but swimming in the cave is a different feeling.
So you know what? We've all done some firsts today, and it's just an incredible feeling to know that we're surrounded by people that are, you know, of the same age, the same background, like-minded people. And you know what? Now we're living a lifestyle that we love to live, and it doesn't feel like work.
Yes.
Yes, and it's so awesome to, work, but we're actually not feeling like we're working.
Exactly.
We're having so much fun.
Yeah. So imagine living this kind of lifestyle, right? Like where you're with your friends and you can be, traveling and exploring the world, enjoying each other's company, and yet you're still having an automated system running for you in the background.
Yeah, so
Exactly.
your office, imagine your office, we were there before under the cave and then we were in the beach swimming with the turtle and now we're back.
And now this is our online office of the day.
Yes.
So maybe you are watching this video and you're wondering what we are doing. What are we doing, guys?
So just check it out. All you have to do is enter your name and email address and check it out. You don't want to miss this.
Yes,
Opportunity.
click the learn more button.
And we'll see you
somewhere
there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bye.
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 Okay, so the next thing.